Enjoy instant oats pizza. It's very healthy and filling, they are perfect. For those days when you want to enjoy a guilt-free chat meal. Healthy breakfast or snack recipe. Easy to make. Keep watching. Take 1 scoop of oats and 1 scoop of poha. Grind in a mixer jar. Add 1 egg and then goes pink salt, which is crystal pink salt, black salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, some zira powder, and then goes some pepper powder and water. Add it according to your consistency. So you need not a very thick or not a very thin batter, so it should be like a very semi-thick batter. Heat the pan, brush some oil, pour it on the pan and spread it all over. Now fill it with some veggies. I have added tomatoes, finely chopped, and some capsicum, and a cube of cheese. Enjoy the filling meal. Happy eating.